thought it was a plane.
Oh, shit. Oh, that's amazing.
Like to be up here when it's really snowy, would you? Like that. Now, who was it yesterday said, I wish I could see an avalanche? Somebody did. Oh, that Asian lady. Oh, well, that was good, eh?